Hi, Bobo. Oh, wow. Do you know what that is? That's a bubbling mud pool. Down below, hot gases are escaping through wet, sticky earth. That heat comes from deep underground, way beneath the Earth's crust. As the gases rise, they push up gooey mud, and the mud bubbles pop on the surface. Some even smell like rotten eggs. These pools form near volcanoes and hot springs. They're full of minerals and heat from inside the Earth. It's like nature's messy science experiment. Pretty stinky, but super cool, right, Bobo? All right, brave balloon, where are you off to next?